Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Palmpay Builder and Jimdo. So let's get started with a quick overview. Palmpay Builder is an AI-powered website builder designed for quick, no-code website creation. It's geared towards solopreneur startup needing a landing page or a simple website with a strong focus on lead generation and mobile optimization. Talking about Jimdo, on the other side is a no-code platform that offers customizable websites built in using AI. It's focused on helping small business and entrepreneurs to build a functional website quickly with built-in e-commerce tools and SEO features, making it a solid choice for those looking for full website with the ability to sell product. I'm talking about the strength and the weakness of these two platforms, starting with the Palmpay Builder. Starting with the strength, it has an AI-based creation in minutes, together with an easy lead capture format to build in SEO tools, together with has a mobile optimized design. Talking about the downside, it has a limited design flexibility for complex sites, not ideal for multiple page websites or a large scale e-commerce website. Then talking about Jimdo on the other side, revealing the strength of this platform, it has an AI-based website creation with a customizable template with a built-in e-commerce functionalities for selling product. I'm talking about the downside of this platform. It has a fewer design customization option compared to more advanced builder. It also has a limited integration and third-party app marketplace. It can be a bit limiting for large or more complex website. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. So you can simply pick Palmpay Builder if you need a quick, simple, and AI-driven site, especially for landing page, lead generation. And on the other side, I can go with Jimdo if you want a no-code platform with built-in e-commerce functionalities and tools to build a full website with basic optimization option. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI platform and how they can be a game changer to you. Thanks.